We believe that what you do is vital to the success of our communities. How does Copper Valley Electric support your efforts? Let's take a look at the people behind the switch.
I usually leave my house about 6:40. When we first show up, we do our turnover with the night shift operator, because that is a plant that is manned 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. You might be like, oh, it's been nice and quiet, you're all good to go, or you could show them like, we have a major outage, we got linemen out here, we have engines down. You never know what you're gonna walk into. First thing you do is you look at all your equipment, all your remote equipment, and you monitor it, and then we do our mechanical logs. We make sure our turbines are good, check all the gauges, check all the temperatures, checking all the fluids. You could have one little thing and say, oh, it's not that big of a deal right now, but if you ignore it and neglect it, that little deal turns into a big deal, and it will cost a lot of money to not only the company, but the membership. When you are working at the Solomon Gulch plant, you are not only an operator, but you are also a dispatcher. That dispatcher at that plant will be the one receiving those outage phone calls and trying to help troubleshoot with the linemen while they're trying to figure out what happened. We have a very diverse crew, 7 operators in Valdez and 3 in Glen Allen. Those guys have the same responsibilities. They are required to maintain that plant, and they do a very good job of it. Allison Creek is a 100% remote power plant. We will take our track rig, put on our snowshoes, and we will hike all the way up to 1,300 feet elevation and check everything out. I started as an operator trainee. I've been here for about 7.5 years, and I've lived here my whole life, and so has most of the people that work for this company. So we all feel that when you know that you do a good job, the operators know that it directly impacts your neighbors and your friends and your community. The nurses, the doctors, the police officers, the fire department, the people working in the restaurants, the stores, they can focus on their task and not worry about getting the lights back on and their equipment's working or not. It's our job to be as efficient and as reliable as possible for them.
The next time you flip the switch, remember, Copper Valley Electric operators appreciate the efforts of our community members, and we're working hard to support you.